Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a CSV file into Google Colab if you want to use it for your machine learning project. So I have this data. It is located in my documents folder. It is the Amazon daily trading price. So this is the data itself, and it's in CSV format. So I want to use this data for my project. So what I'll do, the first step is you are supposed to come to your browser and check. So come here and search Google Drive. So let's say Google Drive. Then you sign in. So this is your Google Drive. It will bring you here. Then after that, you're going to upload that file into Google Drive. So you will come here to add new upload file. Then you have your Amazon CSV document here. So click on that document and click open. So it has been uploaded. To know it has been uploaded, you simply refresh. And now we have the Amazon CSV file here. So how are we going to use this in our project? So after that, you come to Google Colab. So you can use Google Colab. This is good for most of the machine learning projects. Then after you've searched Google Colab, so this is our API. So we want to start a new project. So I had already created this file here. So this is our empty cell. What we are going to do is I will try to upload this file here for this project. So what the first thing is you're going to mount the drive. So you will be like from google.colab import drive. Then after that, you'll say you will mount the drive.mount. So this will be /content /drive. So you're going to mount that drive. So the drive is already mounted. So if it wasn't, what could happen is it will prompt you to approve. You'll just approve and mount the drive. Then after that, you're going to add, so we want to import the data. So we are going to define the path is equal to, so let's say path. Then we are going to assign it to content. So let's come here. This is our drive. So we have called this amazon.csv. So you will say /content drive my drive. Then we add the name of the file, that is amazon.csv. So we can run this. So we have now defined the path of this file. If you have another file that is not called amazon.csv, maybe you've called your file project 1. So we'll only come here and change the name to project 1 and such. So this is I want to import this as a pandas data frame. So what I'll do is I'll add another cell here and import pandas first. Pandas as PD. Then now I will define a data frame. Let's say df is equal to, so that is pd.read csv. So we had already defined our path up here. So I'll simply say path. So this now imports our data in form of a pandas data frame, and it will be assigned the variable name df. So if we want to view the data, if it has been uploaded, we'll simply say df dot, let's just confirm. So here we go. This is our data. And now we are ready to begin our machine learning project. That is all I have.